Hello guys, it's the chef doctor again, and today I'm going to show you how to make Nigerian chicken stew. So without further ado, join me in the kitchen and let's get cooking. To prepare our chicken stew, we're going to be using garlic, tomato paste, some onions, our knives, chicken, of course, the star of the show, our pepper and tomato mix. We will first start by preparing brown chicken stock, and this is done by glazing our already sliced chicken with tomato paste and then cooking it in the oven for about 30 to 45 minutes. After 30 to 45 minutes, we expect our chicken to be lightly and evenly browned. We bring it out, throw it in a pot, put in some onions, garlic, our stock cubes, pepper, salt, and then the fat that had run off from the oven while the chicken was in the oven is also taken out, and the pan is deglazed and the liquid poured into the stock. This is very important and this is what gives it the browning. Let it cook for about 30 more minutes. So our brown chicken stock looks good. Next up, we put in some onions and garlic in some oil that had been on the fire for a while, and we just saute the vegetables for about 5 minutes, allowing it to brown. Be careful to stir so that it doesn't burn. So it looks good at this point. We can go in with some of our tomato paste. We put that in there and then we also stir and give it a good mix to make sure that it's reduced in the hot oil. We just allow that cook for some time and allow tomato paste to break down. After that's broken down, we go in with our pepper and tomato mix gently so it doesn't splash. We mix it in and then we allow it to fry for about 10 to 15 minutes. From time to time, you check the mix, keep stirring to make sure that it doesn't burn, and to check if it's reducing properly. Keep stirring until it gets to a fine consistency. At this point, we're going with our chicken. Get that in and allow it to cook for a while. This also helps to even make the chicken softer and make the stew more flavorful. So you check the stew from time to time, making sure that it's reducing properly and also that it doesn't get burnt. So you keep stirring until you get the right consistency and the pepper mix is cooked properly. And then you go with your brown chicken stock. Just pour some, give it a good stir, and then leave it on the fire to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. So So the stew looks ready to go. It looks done, and we just flavor according to our taste with some seasoning, pepper, salt, a bit of chicken stock, and to round it up, we finish it up with some rosemary to just give it that aromatic flavor. Yeah, the stew was looking good to go. Really, really good to go at this point in time. And there was our rice cooking on the other burner, and we are done. Nigerian chicken stew. And this was the final result. Join me, guys. Thank you for watching.